Another video. And yes, this video is covered in my book, Are You Fat Making or Calorie Burning? Why am I doing a video on this? Branch chain amino acids, right? Or BCAAs. Well, I went into this health food store and I was looking for BCAAs because I work out. And so anyway, this sales lady said, no, you don't want just BCAAs. You want all of the amino acids. You should be buying this, not that. And she did say, oh, this is a new approach rather than the BCAAs. And I'm thinking to myself, I don't think so. I mean, in general, when protein is digested, it's broken down into very specific amino acids, and they're all selectively put together for certain reasons in your body. So they help make up most of the solid matter in your body. So think about that. Your skin, your eyes, your heart, your intestines, your bones, your muscles, right? And that's kind of why understanding what each of these amino acids does can be really specific for reaching your goals, especially if you want to build muscle and lose fat and get stronger. So first thing I want to say about amino acids, there are 22 amino acids. But of those 22, 9 are essential, which means your body cannot make those amino acids. It can make the rest of them if it needs them, but it can't make those 9. So of those 9, 3 of them are branch chain amino acids. That's just a molecular structure is a little bit different. And the 3 that we're talking about are these 3, and they make up 35%, which is a lot, of the amino acids found in your muscle tissues, right? Well, this is why I want these. I'm building muscle in the gym. Now, for me, when I think of what the sales lady said, I mean, I eat a lot of protein during the day anyway, so I don't need all of the amino acids. I'm getting all of the amino acids, but I want those 3 branch chain, and I want them when I'm working out. I don't take them when I'm not working out, if I'm on vacation or I'm not at the gym. But when I'm lifting weights in the gym, that's the mix I'm drinking. That's the protein mix I'm drinking. BCAAs. Why? All right, let's look at some of the reasons why. Think about muscle building, right? All right, these 3 branch chain, they're going to prevent protein breakdown by maximizing the synthesis of protein. So they're most important amino acids in terms of the manufacture, the maintenance, and the repair of muscle tissue. So they regulate your blood sugar levels, that's good, and they increase your performance by decreasing your fatigue while you're working out. And, I notice it. If I forget to take them, I notice a difference in my workout. I don't know, maybe some of it's psychological, but what if it's not, right? It also accelerates muscle tissue recovery, kind of an overlap here. It improves the use of fat for your workout fuel, and that's good. And it will help to switch on your anabolic muscle building, okay? So one thing, I mean, these amino acids work best if they're taken at the same time. They kind of complement each other, consuming them at the same time. And I would say for a ratio, first of all, this one is the most important one. It is growth and repair of tissues. It's the best one for that, and also it maintains a nitrogen balance, right? But the ratio of these, I would say 2 to 1, and in here, I don't know, 1 to 2, so let's just make it 1.5. So that's the ratio. This one is the most important, leucine. Now, what happens when your body is metabolizing amino acids, it's going to be depleting your vitamin B in your body, your B vitamins. So that's why when you buy one of these mixes, branched chain amino acids, you're going to see, for instance, vitamin B6 in it, because that's going to replenish what was lost, right? So you'll see different combinations. I happen to use a brand called Extend. There are many choices. I just happen to like this one. And it comes in many flavors, right? But what happens with the branched chain amino acids for your hardworking muscles, they don't have to go to your liver to get amino acids. And when you think about that's great for muscle building, right? But it's also a wonderful rest for your hardworking liver. Okay, so this is what I drink, branched chain amino acids, when I'm working out for these reasons in this quantity, and I make sure I have vitamin B, okay? So I shall see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.